I built this climbing ladder for my kids about 2 years ago to give them something to do during the winter months, which can be quite rainy around here. It's probably been the toy that they use most. They're always climbing on it, always maneuvering around. They're on it even now. They just get on it voluntarily, do exercise, run up and down it, do all sorts of stuff. It's actually a really simple design. I just used 2x2 wood, and then I got like dowels from Home Depot for like closet hangers, and then I screwed each side. I drilled it out and then put screws in so they didn't split the wood. However, I realized that having the screw in this way and then a screw in this way on the other side ended up causing these to rotate back and forth, which wasn't super safe for the kids. So I actually came back and put wood glue in there, then screwed it back in, and the wood glue holds it like iron. Wood glue is super, super strong. So yeah, it's a super simple design. I think it's something like 30 inches wide. It comes up over here to maybe about 36 inches tall, and I think that it's just a simple 8-foot long board along the bottom. So real simple. Then the board coming across the top. You can see they go up and down it like crazy. When they were little kids, we put pillows around on the sides here in case they fell, but they're real athletic on it and they don't fall anymore. Do you guys like your climbing ladder?
Yeah.
Is it one of your favorite toys?
It's gonna get bigger.
It's gonna get bigger? I don't know if it's gonna get any bigger. You want Daddy to make you a bigger one?
Yeah.
Well, this has been a really good toy, and it's super simple to make, super easy. My first woodworking project, and probably one of the most heavily used ones. All the kids that come over always play on it, and my own kids are on it every single day. You can also tilt it vertically and have them climb it, although when they do that, I stand right there and spot them and make sure that nobody's going to fall. They're not allowed to climb on it like that without me around. But yeah, it's real easy design. I spaced the bars out just probably 6 inches apart. I kind of wish I did them further apart or closer together though, because as they are, I think that their bodies fit through it, but their heads don't. But that hasn't been really a problem. Just a fun toy and good overall invention.